15th problem. The sum of first three terms of an AP is 42 and the product of first and third term is 52. Find first term and the common difference. Solution: let the three terms of an AP be A minus D, A plus D. Usually we know that A plus D, A plus 2D, so on will take. But here why I took like this means easy to solve the problem. If we are writing A as first, this will be the first term. Before or in front of or the preceding term of AP will be A minus D. Still there are A minus 2D, A minus 3D. According to the problem, we are going to take for easy calculation. Are you able to follow? Sir, I will take A plus D, A plus 2D. You can take and you can solve. You will get answer. But little bit lengthy. Here for us, easy to solve. Try, no problem. Try. Now the sum of the first three terms of an AP is 42. Sum means what? Addition. A minus D plus A plus D. Now you see is equal to 42. Plus D minus D both get cancelled because opposite signs. This plus D and minus D get cancelled. Easy calculation. A plus A is 3A. You know how to add A plus A, 2A, 2A plus A, 3A is equal to 42. Are you able to follow? Laddu plus laddu plus laddu what? 3 laddus. In the same way A plus A is 3A is equal to 42. What is the meaning of 3A? 3 into A. Multiplication comes from left to right, division. 3 goes in 42 14 times. 3 ones are 3, 1 remaining 12, 3 fours are 12. So what we got? Answer A is equal to 14. Now product of first and third term is 52. Able to follow? This is the first term and this is the third term. A minus D into A plus D is equal to 52. Now we know the formula. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, or A minus B into A plus B also A square minus B square. Multiplication anyway you can write, no problem. Now A square minus D square is equal to 52. Just now we got the value of A. Now in the place of A you write 14. So 14 whole square minus D square you write. This is D. D means common difference. D square is equal to 52. They gave in the problem. Can you see here 52? Product of first and third term is 52. So 14 14s 196 minus D square is equal to 52. Now variables one side, numerical values another side. Plus goes that side, minus. Minus D square is equal to 52 minus 196. Minus D square is equal to minus 144. If you subtract 52 from 996, the bigger number sign, the 196 is bigger number, that sign comes. Now minus get cancelled. Now D square is equal to 144. Now square goes from left to right, square root. What is the square root of 144? Means 12. Directly if you want to write also, no problem. No sir, I want to show a little working, means find prime factors. So D is equal to square root of 2 to the power of 4 into 3 square. This is the way finding factors. Now when we are doing square root, half of the power will come. In 4 half is 2, in 2 half is 1. If you write or not writing also no problem. 2 square means 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. I did not explain this one. They told to find first term. All of you see. First term T1 is not A. Are you able to follow? All will do here mistake. That's why that mistake should not be done. In every problem, first term is A. But here what is the first term? A minus D. That's why be careful. A minus D. What is A? 14. 14 minus D is what? 12. So 14 minus 12 how much? 2. Here all will do mistake. If you take a plus t, a plus 2d, then also you will get a as 2 only. Here the first term t1 is not a minus d. First term, second term, third term. Clear? I am explaining. Please follow this one. First term t1 is equal to a minus d is equal to a, how much we got? 14. D, how much we got? 12. So 14 minus 12, how much? 2. Common difference, already just now we got D as 12. If they ask to find any term or sum, when we know AD, even a KD also can do this problem. So finding A and D is important in this AP. Did you understand this AP? AP means what? Arithmetic progression. So this is the way of solving this problem. Sixteenth problem. A sum of rupees 2,800 is to be used to award 4 prizes. If each prize of the first is rupees 200 less than, underline this word, less than the preceding prize, find the value of each of these prizes. We have to buy 4 prizes. First prize, second prize, third prize, and last consolation, you think. 4 prizes. Conducted a competition. We have to distribute 4 prizes. And the money allotted is, budget allotted is 2,800. It should not cross 2,800 or it should not remain also. We have to adjust this money for those 4 prizes. And they told each price, first prize and second prize, 200 difference should be there. Means less. Less means minus. Greater means plus. Greater than means plus you have to keep. Less than means minus you have to keep. Increase also plus symbol only. Decrease means minus. These words when you come across, you have to keep math symbols. Less means minus. Greater means plus. Increase means plus, decrease means minus. So better to underline this word and this meanings you write aside. When you come across the problem, you can use those signs. 200 less than the preceding means the before one. 200 less should be there. We know that one. First prize size of the prize sizes decreases. We are having that experience. The first prize will be a little big. Second prize little smaller. Next, you know the sizes. This is not a new problem to understand. Practically you can understand. Let the amounts of prizes be, first we don't know. Always we think as X. When we don't know exact number or amount, X we will think, not lux, X. Keep in mind. X comma, they told less than. So X minus 200. Here X minus 400, how? X minus 200, again minus 200, that's why minus 400. Next one, X minus 600, how 600? Already X minus 200, again minus 200, so minus 600. Can you follow clearly? So 200, 400, 600, you have to subtract. Going on decreasing. Size will be decreasing. Amount will be decreasing. The difference will be there. So work hard to get first place, first prize, school first. Are you able to follow? So this is an example for you. There will be a lot of difference between school first and school second, school third and school fourth. Work hard. Total sum of the 4 prizes, how much they allotted? 2,800. In this amount we have to adjust. So sum means what? Addition. X plus X minus 200 plus X minus 400 plus X minus 600 is equal to how much? 2,800. This much amount, rupees. I kept here rupees, here we are solving. Afterwards you can keep. Now X plus X plus X plus 4 X's are there. 4X. Chocolate plus chocolate plus chocolate plus 4 chocolates. If eating thing means you'll understand easily than problem. Minus 200, minus 400, minus 600. All are minus. minus when comes we are going to add 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 12, so 1200 minus 1200. Now I am taking this minus 1200 from left hand side to right hand side. Minus becomes plus. For every problem I am explaining. By this time you have to know this all. Don't be blind, use your mind. So 2800 plus 1200 will be 4000. If you don't know, add here, no problem. Nothing will happen. You have to add first of all, that is part and parcel. So 4x is equal to 4000. 4x means 4 into multiplication becomes division. X is equal to 4000 by 4. 4 goes in 4000 1000 times. So x is equal to 1000 rupees. So x what we thought the first price. So first price is 1000. Now they told to find each price. First price x is equal to 1000. Second price x minus 200. 1000 minus 200 is 800 rupees. Third price x minus 400. 1000 minus 400 rupees 600. And the fourth price x minus 600. 1000 minus 600 is rupees 400. When you add all this, again you should get 2800. That is the way of verification. No need to ask anybody. If you ask, they may say wrong or they may mislead. So, but this is the way of verifying, checking your answer. So, whenever anyone gives you amount and they ask to buy gifts or prizes for a competition, remember this problem so that it will be easy to buy. This is the way of solving this problem. The production of TV sets in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. It produced 8,000 sets in 6th year and 11,300 in 9th year. Find the production in 1st year, 8th year, 6 years. Here 8th year and here 6 years. Listen carefully. Year. Can you hear? My dear, in this year, though you are not near, please hear carefully. This is 8th term and this is 6 years means sum from the beginning of 1st year to 6 years, total how many production. This is only 8th year, this is but total right from the 1st to 6 years. Keep in mind year, years. If you remember this one, this problem is finished. Production of TV sets in 6th year is equal to 8,000. T6 is equal to A plus 5D is equal to 8,000. We know 6th term of an AP T6 A plus 5D is equal to 8,000. Production of TV sets in 9th year 11,300. This is equation number 1. Now 9th means T9, not TV9. T9. T9 means what? 9th term of an AP. What is 9th term of an AP? A plus 8D is equal to 11,300. So this is equation number 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. From after you have to write first. A plus 8D is equal to 11,300. And the first equation is A plus 5D is equal to 8,000. Subtracting, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. The second equation sign completely changes when we are subtracting. For addition, nothing will change. Keep in mind. Both I am teaching. For addition, how? For subtracting. Why we are subtracting and why we are adding also I told. When the signs are same, we are going to subtract. When the signs are automatic opposite, we are going to add. Your brain should tell that one. So here plus and minus get cancelled. 8 minus 5 is 3D is equal to, from 11,300 if you subtract 8,000, you will get 3,300. Now find D. D is equal to 3,300 by 3. 3 goes 1100 times. Now we got D as 1100. Substituting D is equal to 1100 in equation 1. Either equation 1 or equation 2 also. Which equation you like? That one. Sir, why not 2, sir? If you are interested, that one. If you 1 means 1, that is your will and wish. Here I did 1, you subtracting 2, no problem. Same answer comes. So A plus 5 into D means 1100 is equal to 8000. A plus 5500 is equal to 8000. Plus goes that side, minus. A is equal to 8000 minus 5500. Subtract. A is equal to 2500. First bit they told to find first year. First year T1 we will represent. A is equal to 2500. In the first year the production is 2500. Now second bit. Production of TV sets in 8th year. 8th year means T8. T8 of an AP is what? A plus 70. A means 2500 plus 7 into 1100. Now 2500 plus 7700 add, you will get 10,200. So in the 8th year, not 8 years, 8th year this much. Now the third bit, so read the question properly. Total production of TV sets in 6 years means right from the beginning up to 6 years. This is 8th year, this is 6 years. Sum of production of TV sets in 6 years. Sum means sum of n terms of an AP. So how you know this sum to n terms of an AP? In question they told that factory increases production of TV sets uniformly every year. Uniformly means common difference is same. 1 year more and 1 year less means it won't be in AP. When it will be in AP, D should be same answer. Common difference should be same. So they use that word. Every year production is uniformly in every year. Then only we can use this formula. So read the question properly. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we are not using n by 2 into a plus l. Why? The first term is not there. First term is there but last term is not there. When last term is not there, we have to use this formula. Now S6. What is the meaning of S6? Sum of 6 terms of an AP. Now n by 2, 6 by 2. 2 into A. A means 2500 plus 6 minus 1. N minus 1 means 6 minus 1 into 1100. Here 2 table get cancelled. 2 goes in 6 3 times. So 3 into 2 25s are 50 and 2 more zeros, so 5000 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into 1100. That is equal to 3 into 5000 plus 5 11s are 55. 2 more zeros, so 5500. Add. You will get 10,500. Already 5000, here 5000, 10,000, one more 500 is there, so 10,500. Easy calculations. Multiply with 3 table. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15 and 1 will be here. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 3, 1 is 3. So total production from the beginning of the year to 6 years is 31,500 TV sets they produced. Are you able to follow? So keep in mind.